Hi guys, my name is Shayna and we're back again with another SketchUp video, and this is where we're showing how you actually do lines. As you can see, let me pause it real quick for you. What I just did was show lines in succession, as you can see. So I was just clicking and clicking and clicking and clicking until, I decided I wanted to end the shape. So that's how you do lines in succession. If you just want to do lines by itself, you can drag click, and with drag and click, with drag and click, it is basically you clicking to start the line and then dragging to stop it, and that makes your pencil basically stop completely. It is better, in my opinion, to do lines in succession, just because like you have the more mobility to continue to make shapes, and it is more simple for yourself. And that's what I'm doing right now. And when you need to stop making line shape, you can just press the escape key. Pressing the escape key just automatically clips off the access. So as you can see right there, clicking escape and gone, and you can start whatever you want to again to make any lines. I'm just going to delete that. And basically the blue, green, and red lines can be used for inferring lines. And see, when you make a line in the color that we access, it turns that color. Lines can also be used to make surfaces and also divide surfaces, as you can see. When a line turns pink, that means it's tangent with its side. So as you see, the red, I'm on the red axis and it's completely red due to it being on that axis. You can type in the length that you want it to be, just like I did, 5M, and there it goes. And then if I go the green way and type in 12 inches, as so, that'll be 12 inches. And there you go. You can also subdivide any lines if you want to. On a Mac, it's actually harder, but you have to press Control and right click, and then you press divide and just go across your line, as you can see. And you can have any segments that you want into. And once you click on it, SketchUp can tell you how long each segment will be. And you can continue into session and make it as many swirls as you really want to. And right now I'm just going over some other arcs and just showing you how other ways that it can turn and change. The last thing to understand about arcs is that it's like circles, like it's not perfect arcs. You can also change arcs sides, so you can change it into different sides. So like that size that comes in segments that comes in is actually 12, but you can actually change it. So as you can see, I changed it back to 12 to show you the perfect one, and then to your left you have the regular arc with polygon shape. So that is something that is very unique about arcs, as you can see. When you click on that, you can also click option again and click on entry info to see how many segments it has. That has 5 segments, as you can see. So hopefully this was very helpful for you guys and helps you learn more about arcs. Thank you for listening, and have a nice one. In this portion of my SketchUp video, I'll be showing you how to make circles and polygons. And basically we're going to start off, I'm going to have my large 2 set right there, and we're going to start off by making a circle. And as you can see, it shows up and it shows you your radius of your circle. You can also click, and before you deselect your circle, you can type in how long you want your radius to actually be. So I just made the radius 12, which you can also do that, but you want to make the circle complete and then type in what you want the radius to be. And you can make circles inside of circles. You can make any other shapes that you want inside of others, as you can see. So right now I'm just drawing a circle, and 24S is how many sides that circle has, as you can see. And right now I'm going to do another one, and I'm going to change the sides, and I'm going to put 5 sides, and that's changes into a polygon, as you can see. And as you can see, my clicker now is currently polygon. So if I wanted to change that back to a circle, I would have to actually type that back into the radius spot after and put the number I want and put S. So I just changed another polygon into 10 sides, as you can see. And see, even though if I click circle, you have to change it back to 24 sides. The difference comes about the shape when you pull into 3D. As you can see, one's a polygon, it shows you the sides, and the circles is actually straightforward. And the cylinder is smooth. So, as you can see, a polygon shows all the sides, and a circle is just smooth. So the circle tool has 24 sides by default, and when you change that to 5 or any other what you want to do, you just have to change it back. And now I'm just currently making shapes inside of other shapes. And you can reference to the center and hover over the edges, as you can see what I just did, to see how many sides that it actually has. You can also right click, option and right click, and go to entry info, and it tells you the radius and how many segments that shape has as well. So this segment has 24 sides, just like a regular circle. You can also, oops, there you go. You can also make shapes on regular rectangles or any other shapes that you would like to. As you can see, a circle would be like that. And when you're drawing a circle and a polygon in any orientation, the tool will align itself with any surface that you hover over. You can lock the orientation by holding down shift, so when you're going to different shapes that it stays in that orientation. So right here, just clicking shift and it will stay right up just like so, going up to the blue axis, as you can see. Holding the shift key is staying locked. When you release the key, that's when you unlock the tool. Hopefully this helps you guys with polygons and circles. Thank you.